Hey guys, what is up? I am Danny. I just got my first Cricut maker, so that's what I'm gonna be unboxing. I know the Cricut Explorer Air 3 is already coming out soon, but I just decided to get this one just because I heard they have like smart vinyl and everything, but I was like, you know what, I want to be able to use my own from different vendors. So yeah, I just hear like it's more expensive, so I decided to go with this one. I have not opened it yet, so I'm just gonna start opening it with you guys. So, I'm just new to everything that's like Cricut related, so I will be learning along the way. I got it because I want to make like t-shirts, and not t-shirts, but like, you know, like stickers, design stuff. I want to make it into like a company, so that's why I got it. Yeah, I've been watching videos on the Cricut. Oh, it comes with this. That's cool. Okay, I did not expect that. I think these are the instructions, but I'm who reads the instructions? So I'm gonna make this all ASMR. You know, it's like. I actually thought it was gonna be more smaller for some reason, like this small. I saw it on display, so I already knew how it looks like. So it's kind of cool. I don't know if it gets scratchy. So let's check what's in here. Just a cable, I'm guessing, that you connect it to and everything. And then there's another cable here, and I'm guessing this is the one you connect to your computer or something, maybe. So yeah, it comes with two cables and a pen, I'm guessing. If I'm wrong, you guys can just tell me in the comments. Yeah, I think this is a pen, or it's like a cutter or some sort. Yeah, that's how it looks. I'm sure you guys seen it before. This is my first time diving into this, so it's gonna be fun. Hopefully it's I just got the vaccine, so my arm's really sore right here, so I like the way it opens. Okay. That's so cool. I like the way that opens. It's cool. Yeah, but that's pretty much what it comes with. Just these cables to connect it. The one that I'm thinking is for the computer. Maybe this is a pen or a knife thing, I'm not sure. And this with the Cricut. So yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's the unboxing of the Cricut Air 2 Explorer Air 2. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.